Hey everybody, this is Dr. Bam, and this is Unit 3, Concept 21 for Child Growth and Development. The question for this concept is describe the concept of Noam Chomsky's LAD, capital L-A-D. And our book really just doesn't talk much about it. It gives like a one sentence, and I kind of wanted to give you some additional background. So Noam Chomsky is a theorist who said that everyone was born with this LAD device, is what he calls it, in our brains. And it's a language acquisition device. That's what LAD stands for, is language acquisition device. And that was the idea, is that humans are born with the innate ability to develop their language, or to develop a language or multiple languages for bilingual speakers. Um, and that this is innate in our beings of who we are. So unlike animals who are communicating in grunts and other sounds, we have this LAD device that is specifically the device within our brains that supports language. And this has been shown because certain people that receive brain damage to a certain part of their brain um, will basically lose the ability to speak, and it's not, our brain doesn't rewire it as well. And plus, some people who've gone through sorry for my dog in the background, by the way, some people who've gone through some serious child abuse and not been exposed to language can still develop some language later on. And so the idea is, if our brains had just those neurons that were going to get rewired because we don't need language, why can they still pick up the language at a later point? And so Noam Chomsky's theory is that we all have this LAD, this language acquisition device, that all humans are innately born with the ability to learn in language. And of course, in his theory, that this LAD is housed in our brains and is what allows us to differentiate from other animal species and have informed these different languages by which to communicate.